Making $1 billion might sound like a fantasy, but it's not. While it's rare, it flows pattern. Billionaires don't rely on luck. They use strategy, scale, and vision. If you want to know how to make $1 billion, these 9 ways will show you what actually works in this real world. The first way is to build a scalable tech company. Think of businesses like Amazon, Uber, or Airbnb. These companies use software to serve millions with low marginal cost. If you can solve a global problem with technology, scale becomes your best friend, and that's where $1 billion companies are born. Next is creating a platform for marketplace. Platform connect buyer and seller, but they don't own the product. Think of eBay, ETSY, or even YouTube. If you can create a space where others do the work, but you take a cut, you're building a self scaling business that grows even when you sleep. The third way is mastering finance. Hedge fund managers, private equity investors, and venture capitalists like Warren Buffett didn't create products, they mastered capital. If you can move large amount of money and multiply it with precision, you can reach a billion without ever starting a company from scratch. Then there's real estate developing at a scale. This is not about flipping houses. $1 billion real estate players build cities, own skyscrapers, and create value through land transformation. If you understand zoning, leverage, and timing, real estate becomes a powerful path to extreme wealth. The fifth way, owning intellectual property. That includes media empires, best selling books, licensing deals. Walt Disney built a $1 billion brand from cartoons. J.K. Rowling did it with words. If you own content that lives forever, the money keeps flowing long after the work is done. Another path, mass consumer products. If you can create something simple and sell it to millions, the math start to make sense. Think Coca-Cola, Nike, or even Kylie Cosmetics are a great brand with a massive audience and repeatable sales. That's a $1 billion formula. The seventh way is building infrastructure. It's sort flashy, but millionaires are made by solving unsexy problems at scale, shipping, logistics, and manufacturing energy. These industries touch everything, and whoever controls the supply chain controls the wealth. Next is acquisition. Some billionaires don't build, they buy. If you understand business acquisition, you can roll up dozens of smaller companies into one giant one. That's what private equity does, and that's one of the fastest ways to grow $1 billion. And finally, timing. Many billionaires were not just smart, they were early to crypto, early to AI, early to the internet. Timing is not luck, it's pattern recognition. If you can spot where the world is going before others do, the opportunity to make $1 billion is real. Now you know the 9 ways billionaires build empires. Which one will you choose?